Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's a wild emu. Pretty sure that's a male as well. It's a male. It's gotta be very territorial as well. If I get too close, I'll probably die. The hospital over there is like a few miles away. Looking at an hour drive. I won't make it. Yeah, I'll go around. Look how beautiful this creature is. Look, I'm actually like 10 meters away from him. Oh, he's yawning. Yeah, I'm gonna turn back now.